Unit 5 AI Adventures. Fun with AI. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to smart machines or software that can think and perform tasks like humans. AI enables machines to learn, make decisions, and assist people in everyday activities. How AI helps in daily life. AI-powered lights adjust automatically to create a comfortable environment. Smart assistants like Alexa help with tasks such as reminders and answering questions. AI drones. AI drones captures aerial images and assist in various fields. AI vacuum cleaners save time by cleaning homes without human effort. It's time for some examples of AI devices. AI lights. AI lights adjust brightness or color based on the time of the day or mood. AI Alexa. AI Alexa is a smart assistant that answers questions, plays music, and sets reminders. AI drone. AI drone is a flying machine that takes pictures and follows commands. AI vacuum cleaner. AI vacuum cleaner is a robotic vacuum that cleans floors automatically.